This tutorial will guide you through the process of changing your birthday on Roblox if you're under 13 years old. With the recent updates, Roblox allows users to modify their age settings more easily. Follow these steps to update your birthday successfully. So, let's get started. So first, locate the Roblox app. After you locate the Roblox app, tap on it to open the Roblox app. After you open the Roblox app, make sure that you log into your account. As you can see, mine is already logged in. After you logged in to your Roblox account, click on the More tab, which is located at the left side of the screen with an icon of a circle with 3 horizontal dots. While we're in the More tab, click on the Settings tab beside the Account tab so that we can proceed. While we're in the Settings tab, click on the Account Info so that we can proceed. While we're in Account Info, click the Edit icon, which looks like a pen writing on a paper, and the Personal section. From here, you can edit your birthday to 13 plus, like for example, as you can see in the video, the birthday is set on February 13, 1989. And the day I record this video is January 27, 2025. So I will change the year to 2012, as you can see in the video. After editing your birthday, click the Continue button to finish editing your birthday. Changing your birthday on Roblox is a straightforward process when following these steps. Ensure that the selected birthday is compliant with Roblox age policies. If you encounter any issues, consider visiting settings or checking Roblox support resources for further assistance. Happy gaming!